Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be non-phone, simply responding to emails, and it is paying very well at $22 an hour. We are going to dive all into it. Just know the links to all the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. And I haven't done my little spill in a while, so hi, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay. This channel is all about working from home. I search the internet daily trying to find the best work from home jobs that are out there that day, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out on another remote work from home job lead, make sure you're subscribed to have those notifications turned on. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Sticker Mule. Now, I have featured this company on this channel before. They have 58 reviews on Glassdoor, so since they don't have hundreds of reviews, you might want to make sure you do your own research on any company that I share before giving them your personal information. They are a smaller company though, but out of the 58 reviews from current and past employees, they have a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a customer support agent. Now, their customer support is going to be done completely through email. This is remote for the United States. They're specifically looking for somebody to work the shift of 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But they say they are the internet's most kick-ass brand. They have a remote work from home team spread out all over the world. But they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for providing Sticker Mule customers with that world-class customer support. They deliver fast, reliable, and efficient service through email and social media only. But under the responsibilities, it says you're going to respond to the customers through email using a conversational and helpful tone. You'll propose edits and additions to the FAQ section and internal knowledge base. You'll also help suggest opportunities for their product team to make their customers happy and offer ideas to improve the quality of the customer service operation. So this is mainly going to be responding to those customers and answering any questions they have through email, but you may also have to answer social media comments or social media messages. Best thing about this, they don't require any kind of degree. They're looking for somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience, someone who has great writing skills, and someone who has experience working remotely from home. Again, the hours are 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. No weekends are required. Pay is $22 an hour. They're going to offer a $500 sign-on bonus as well. With that standard benefit package that includes health and dental insurance, 401k with a match, and paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.